Infectious laryngotracheitis is a highly contagious disease of poultry caused by a herpes virus. It primarily affects the upper respiratory tract and leads to severe symptoms and significant economic losses in poultry production. Clinical signs include respiratory distress, heavy mucus discharge, coughing, and reduced egg production. In severe cases, suffocation can occur. The disease has a high morbidity, with mortality rates varying depending on the outbreak's severity. Transmission occurs through direct contact with infected birds, contaminated dust, bedding, and equipment. The virus can persist in biofilms, making it resistant to disinfectants. In Serbia, the last recorded ILT outbreak occurred nearly 2 decades ago. However, in April 2020, a new outbreak emerged in laying hen and broiler breeder farms, spreading to multiple locations. 6 farms were affected. Infected flocks exhibited respiratory symptoms, weight loss, and reduced egg production, with mortality rates reaching up to 31.5% in some flocks. Post-mortem findings included severe inflammation, mucus obstruction, hemorrhagic tracheitis, and yellow caseous plaques. Histopathology revealed lymphocytic infiltration, syncytial cells, necrotic epithelial tissue, and pulmonary edema. PCR confirmed the presence of the ILT virus in tissue samples. The affected flocks were unvaccinated, and transmission was likely facilitated by poor biosecurity, particularly through contaminated farm equipment and vehicles. Control strategies emphasise vaccination and strict biosecurity. Live attenuated vaccines and recombinant vaccines offer protection, with combined vaccination strategies showing potential in reducing virus spread. Implementing these measures is essential to mitigating future outbreaks and safeguarding poultry health.